Me, I no fit chop food wey no dey sweet. I tell you, I no dey pretend. I no fit. I can't even pretend to eat it. In today's video, we're going to learn how to start online food business from home in Nigeria. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, you're working class, or you've just been looking to start a business here in Nigeria, here is an opportunity for you. If you know sabi cook, I beg, no go into this business without learning how to do something, okay? You get various tools, plenty tools where you fit use. For instance, you get YouTube. You're watching this video, definitely you're on YouTube. There are cooks here on YouTube where you say, if they cook for you, if they cook for you. You see people like Joy Kitchen, Ify Kitchen, CCME, and the host of them. These people, they cook local and intercontinental dishes. Though some of them focus on the local. So now you go know the one way you want. Some self now pastries that they do for their channel. If you want to learn how to make puff puff, egg rolls, meat pie. You know, say Nigerian meat pie, they different from UK meat pie, Canada meat pie. Meat pie get this thing, where they different. Those kind of things, you go learn them for those channel. And then you can say you are ready to start your own business. The next thing you go do now market research. Market research is very important for you to know how other people they navigate this market. If you want to learn, you feel actually go under someone to learn. If you don't get that kind of patience, go online, check, look for videos like this one and so many others that will focus basically on food business, online food business. Then know the one way you won't pick because it gets different branches and you no won't waste time for the one way we say you no get forte. You won't focus on the one way you go get strength, okay? So do your market research well before you start. This market research now will lead you to the niche where you go pick because as I said, the branch they wide. So if you get a particular niche, now pastry you won't do, you go focus on pastry. You get one popular online food vendor where we say they're very popular. I'm not paid, so I will not mention the name, but they do small chops, all those finger food where people fit chop for office. We no go stain our papers, right? Those people you go see say they supply people for offices. Now so they don't do their research. Now they focus on working class people. You feel they do local dishes where we say you go supply people online. Some people see they chop swallow for office now, they chop rice for office. And you feel focus on some intercontinental dishes where we say some people they really like Chinese rice and the rest of them. Now you know the one way best suits you, the one way you feel say you feel do well. Now you may focus on. The next thing now to choose your brand name and logo. So if you go on Google to check names where they easy and you feel use Google generate name for yourself. If you start with your own names or your initial, think of something beautiful that you want that you resonate with and choose a name. Create a logo. If you cannot create logo for yourself, you can pay someone to do it for you, but it's easy for you to create a logo for yourself. Then you register the business. You don't have to register a limited liability company. You can register a venture, but make sure say that name belongs to you because you feel think say you no go blow today, you feel go blow. Another person will pick that name before you know them. You understand? So you don't want to make that mistake. Make sure say as you start your business, you register. Then your location. Your location, like we say, we're starting this business from home or any other place that you find comfortable for you. For instance, person will get good money. If you just go rent a particular flat or get a particular property to start doing the business in there, all right? Or if you don't get much money, you will start from the comfort of your own kitchen inside your own home to do this business. This is one of the best profitable business ideas in Nigeria as we speak. The next step now to source capital for this business. There's no cap on top of this kind of business. You feel use as much as you get access to or as little as you have, okay? However, because now online, you know say certain things they important. Your data they important. If you don't get money for camera, you get money for phone. Use phone, video the things where you sell. They show them online. Now you go lead people to you, all right? Then if you get good money, you know say for this business now, you go get dispatch rider. You go get the bike where you go take the supply people. You go get social media manager because you know if they cook, they do social media manager at the same time. If you get the money, you understand. Now we are talking about people who get correct money to start. So you go get social media manager. We say as you they do your video, they edit for you, they post for you on the go, they manage your order, and you know things go to go fast. And you know say cooking business na fast business. People must feel say, oh, I ordered food, I got it in the next 15 minutes. I ordered food, I got it in the next 30 minutes. Now waiting will make people stick to you be that they go like that kind of thing. First, the taste as you don't learn how to cook. Second, the focus on the particular food. Third, now you say you must get the ability to supply them fast. That would be very important. The next thing are to purchase equipment needed for the cooking. You know say cooking equipment they plenty. Gas they there, cooker they there, pots they there, you get some utensils. For instance, if now catering you won't do, if now baking you won't do, pastries you won't do, you get some special equipment way that they use. If now amala, things like that, you go need turning stick, you go need big pot, and some specialized kind of pots. You will get those things where you go need for your business, fry pan or all those kind of things. Foil paper, takeaway plastics, things that are beautiful, presentable, and even branded stickers. Now, if you get money to do this business the proper way, say you go get delivery person. You guys employ a reliable delivery hand. No be person will be say you go to die tomorrow, wake up next tomorrow. No person will go tell you say, hey, I'm sorry sir, I have to go to, I'm sorry ma, I have to get to. No. You need someone with this serious about the business, we know what they do, and it won't make money. That kind of reliable person and dependable person and you need, so that if you send and go one location, you go quickly go another location, say make I go quickly do my own thing. You go put tracker for your bike, no forget, so that you will feel a tracker. If you send and go so location, you go see say na there they go, you go to say they come back straight to you. Because you see, when people feel say they get the chance to play a fast one on you, they will take that chance. Now, if you don't get money for this business, you don't get much, right? You go start with your phone, video with your phone. You go try to do things fast. So time is very important for this business. So as you cook finish, you go post your videos, you go edit, you go respond to messages when they come your phone. You go focus on people with be around you. No go too far, because if you do this business on your own, if you want expand far, so focus on your own community. Especially if you get offices for your community, they supply them. This kind of thing, they good. If you get shops for your community, most of them know they bring food come shop. So you feel supply them as well. Just create a flyer, tell people, awareness. You don't get money for adverts, right? Create flyer, tell people say they do this. May you bring them, may they test and may they start to buy from you. Now the thing be that you go start to do your online business. They go just tell you say I go need food by so PM. You go don't tell them to focus on the kind of food you get. If you tell them say na semo and afang soup now you they serve today, or semo and ewedu soup now you they serve today, say all your customers now only that food they go order. So it go dey easier for you. Because they manage and small until you save get money to expand. Now, if you get money for this business, you fee employ cooks who go to cook the food for you. Now you go to create the measurement. Now you go be the baseline, okay? You go get your secret to the business, so that even if your cook go, your hand no go change, the taste of the food no go change. You get that kind of thing now. So that one is very important as well. After you don't do all these things, the next thing now to advertise your business on social media. Adverts now they bring people to you for online business. Run adverts on Instagram, run adverts on Facebook, run adverts on YouTube. But if not only Instagram adverts you get, my dear, drum. Then you feel even use influencers. People like us, they here where you feel use. We will go advertise the business for you. And YouTube go to feature our videos every day. And for that reason, people will continue to know you for as long as that video remains for our channel. I've spoken about 10 different steps in which you can start your online food business successfully in Nigeria. This business is profitable, it is lucrative, and you can start from the comfort of your home. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always tuning in. Please, if you have any question at all, drop it in the comment section. I will get to it. It's not easy, but I will definitely get to answer your questions.